First, when you're starting a lawn or landscape business, you need to hire no one. No one. Your priority is getting leads and closing on those leads. Next, marketing. Marketing is important. So, starting out, I recommend the more personal variants, such as mailbox flyers, and then going door to door. Next, once you've done some marketing, once you've figured out, okay, this is kind of where I want to mow my lawns, you need to optimize your routing. Go for residential suburbs, where they may have a provider earlier, but they're not really happy with it, and they have the ultimate responsibility if they want to hire for you or not. This is where you're going to do your best. Next, what services do you actually offer? How far do you have to go to be profitable? Do you need to buy 20 trucks? Do you need to buy the top of the line equipment? No, you do not. You want to keep your equipment simple. We're doing lawns, okay? So start, as we're doing for the smaller communities, get a push mower, get a blower, get a trimmer. That's all you need in a simple toolkit. That's all you need to start making the money that you want in your startup.